advantage on the early game. Just start out in the mid game. We just win the team fight. Our team fight is really strong, really strong, really strong.
Peel, you ready?
Yeah.
You hypey?
My hand. Oh, carry stop it.
Your hand broken?
Please carry me, Rush.
Yeah.
Rush, please carry me too.
Yeah.
I don't need you to carry me. It's okay.
No. Can we do it? Can we do it?
Yeah, we can do it.
Yep.
He's done.
Hit out pick. Okay,
Nice.
okay,
Good
okay.
attack.
I'm getting out. I'm just walking.
Yep.
Okay, cancel.
Keep it down. Nice. Cancelled.
Jab.
I can ward the lane right now.
Yep.
Just gonna do it.
Yep. Lee Sin's right here. I'm going on Lee Sin. I'm on Lee Sin. I'm on Lee Sin.
Okay, TP in, TP in.
Okay, I need help.
Focus Annie, focus Annie.
I'm running
Okay,
here. TP. Azir is here. Careful.
I have ulti.
I'm going.
Lee Sin, Lee Sin, Lee Sin. Lee Sin's right here.
Jenna's really low.
He's dead.
Victor coming too,
Okay.
but I
Backing a little bit.
Yep.
Backing up,
Just
backing up.
back.
Victor's coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can go.
One set, one set.
Okay, okay.
You
I'm
can
gonna
talk.
run.
Yeah. Oh, Ajir, so good.
Okay, nice.
So good, guys. So good. Yeah.
Baron down.
coming. Ajir.
You know me.
Lee Sin behind.
Okay.
I got him locked down.
Ajir, stop. Ajir, stop.
Okay. Maokai. Let's go front line. We can win this.
Shield two.
Slow.
Heal up.
Trying to get out.
Stop.
Nice.
I'm Baron rush.
Just yeah.
제가 마무리할게요.
Coming.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
I'm going bot.
I go mid.
When it's struggle, I think we have to push lane.
Yeah.
Minion. Then we can win next fight.
Yeah.
Ajir.
Azir. I got Azir.
I'm slow.
I back.
Shoot.
I got
Nice.
I need shield.
two.
I'm live.
Nice. Hey, let's go. Here.
Awesome.
I'm back. Okay.
It's fine. Get started. Let's go Baron, okay?
Yeah.
Just Baron bait. Now we can team fight. Win.
Yeah.
Still win.
They're gonna try to.
Come. Any.
Yep.
Don't behind.
4K.
I'm going.
Any. Go Andy. Just go Andy.
Hey, any.
I'm in the pit.
Ajir.
Okay.
Nice.
Scargus.
Baron.
We are winning now.
Yeah, winning.
Wait for rescue. I'm so scared. Nice. I saw.
I'm ulting back. Okay, good. Go mid. We can get 3 in hips.
Yeah.
Get 3 in hips.
Go.
Okay. Azir. Nice.
I'm slow.
Maokai.
Maokai.
Coming. Maokai. Yeah, Maokai.
Minion first.
Minions.
Ajir no flash.
Teams, you gotta be careful with your position.
It's Jen.
Any no flash.
Coming.
Okay, coming.
No flash.
Rishi, stop.
Lee Sin.
Run down.
Run down. I'm trying to ult them out.
Okay, Azir.
I just top.
I got him.
Maybe GG.
Okay. Watch out, Maokai.
Oh, sorry.
Here.
I'm over here.
I'm mark him.
I need help over here.
I'm going on Victor.
It's fine.
I'm backing.
Okay, he flashed. Okay, I'm coming. I'm out of mana.
Yeah, kill him. Nice.
Coming.
Coming.
W3.
Yeah, back. We can. Can you just go?
We can chase Cog.
Nars coming. Do fast.
Back. Nice.
Okay. We need defense top.
Okay. I'm recalling.
Can they go Baron? No, I don't think so.
No, we got hit. We're still winning, guys.
Just fight. Don't.
I'm coming.
Don't try.
No. Nothing.
They're mid. Try to poke.
I go mid, guys.
Big one top.
People block.
Go mid.
Shiver ult.
Yep. Silver ult. We're blocking them. Just go mid. They're coming.
Yeah. Just block.
They're going on me.
Mid.
Mid.
Oh, maybe GG.